Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if the GoT application is keep crashing on your phone, don't worry, because in today's video I'm going to be giving you some of the easy fixes that are definitely going to troubleshoot this problem. So first of all, we will just have to clear the cache for the GoT application. So sometimes the residue files cause the problems in crashing the application, so we will need to clear some space here. So first of all, you need to come out of your GoT application and long press on its icon, then tap on the I tab and you will be landed in app info. Over here you will see the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, so simply tap on it, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now it depends on which Android device you are using. Sometimes you can get the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, but sometimes it is in the storage option. So you can tap on storage and here you will see the clear cache option. So whichever method you have in your Android device, you need to select that and you need to clear the data and the clear cache first. After that, you need to just launch your GoT application and see if it is working smoothly, if it is showing you the same error, or if it is fixed or not. If the issue still persists, I would highly recommend you to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to just search for GoT app. Once you are able to find the application, you need to check for any update. If you see any update over here, simply tap on the update option and update your application to the latest version. After that, you need to just see whether the GoT application is working or not. Most probably with the help of these few methods, you are definitely going to fix the issue, and if you do that, do let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.